In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Canva education account. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to canva.com. For this tutorial, you'll need a school email that ends with a period. Once you're on the Canvas homepage, look at the upper part of the page and click on Education. From there, select Teachers and Schools. You'll be redirected to a page where you can sign up for free. Choose Teachers and click on it. Next, click Continue with Email and type in your school email that ends with edu. After you sign up successfully, your Canva education account will be created. You should see a pop-up saying you've unlocked Canva Education for free. Click Claim Canva for Education. If prompted to join others from your school, you can select No Thanks and Continue. Fill out the required information, click Continue. And now you can use your Canva education account with all its premium features for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.